What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today's task we have to build some car stackers. So this project has been happening for a couple of weeks already. I filmed a bunch of it, but it's been a bit of a challenge to try and keep some continuity between everything that's going on here, moving into a workshop, normal work, wiring work, you name it. It's all going on right now. So it's been very, very busy, very, very hectic. Today we're going to take you through how we build these car stackers, and I'm very, very excited to get them working into the other workshop and get some cars stacked. Let's get to it. Order came in, good old scan cut. So we got some plates made up and got a bunch of these little weld-on tabs. Very cool. That's going to be used for the car stackers that we should hopefully finish up very shortly. He needs to get cutting and welding. Do it. Do it. Sexy welds. It's from a professional here. I'm going to pretend that I did all of these. I definitely did not. And maybe you can see this was kind of the original piece that we made. This is how they're meant to go, but then we realized they're unfortunately a little bit too tall. So we couldn't get a car high enough to put onto these. So we've cut out the corners and then now we're re-welding into a different shape. And basically the finished product will be that the wheels just sit a little bit higher. So it could look a little bit nicer in some ways. It's only a problem if you make it a problem.
Oh! I just felt my fucking...
Fucking spidey senses tingling.
Small.
Safety squid.
You want that? No!
Alright, so a bit of progress. First one's up. These are the plates from ScanCut that got machined up. Machined up, cut out.
Yeah.
Same but different. How you feeling?
Tired.
Yeah.
I want to go home now.
It's not even that late. It's only 9:30.
Yeah. Been here since
7.
Nah, not really. Got a late start today.
So we got the car stackers across to the new shop, and the first car up is going to be Thomas's S13 before we need to move some of the other cars out of storage that are going to come back into here during the summer so we can work on them a little bit easier. I've got to head away for a work trip now, so the boys are going to be left with the camera. Good luck. And yeah, they're going to get Thomas's S13 up onto the first stacker. Let's see how they do.
stackers are all finished up finally. And yeah, we got Thomas's S13 on top, CM1's S13 on top, and then Thomas's M3 twin turbo V8 thing. That's gonna be a fun car when it's finished. We've got a bit of work to do on all of these cars. Basically, this is what's coming up in the next couple of months. This needs a new turbo kit. It's going 8 HP as well. And this thing I think is pretty much ready to go. It needs a new intake manifold that blew up quite recently. This is getting quite a lot of work, so this needs a whole new wiring harness. It's going to link ECU, and I think he's doing a whole new engine for this actually as well. So we'll get onto that soon. Volvo's still here. This is actually done from my side, just waiting for the bit of a spot in the shop to get the fabrication work done. But I'm gonna have a whole video on this car. It's kind of cool. I like it. I was never really a big Volvo guy, but living in Sweden, you kind of have to be, so I'm getting into it. My car is almost ready. Basically, I just want to finish up a few little things and then also needs to get back on the dyno for a little bit more work. And the goal is to get this car street registered here. I imported it from Finland and it's never been street registered since it got here almost 3 years ago. So yeah, a little bit of work to get that kind of legal. Not much. It's pretty relaxed here. This little Honda Civic is a customer car, so that's just getting prepped for the season. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you can, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Definitely does help me out. So yeah, catch you on the next one. See ya.